In this video, I'll show you how to change the background of an image in Leonardo AI, all within the platform. To get started, head over to the Leonardo AI website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Library section where you'll see all the images you've generated with Leonardo AI. Find the image you want to change the background of and click on it to open it. With the image selected, look for the three dots icon. Click on it to open additional options. Here, you'll see an option called Remove Background. Select it, and Leonardo AI will start removing the background from your image. This may take a moment, depending on the complexity of the background. After the background has been removed, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Original. Click on it and select No Background. This will show your image with the background fully removed. Now, to add a new background, click on the three dots icon again and choose Edit in Canvas. This will open Leonardo AI's built-in image editor. At the top, you'll see an option called Infinite Mode. Click on it, and this will allow you to add new elements behind and around your main subject. Next, select the ratio or aspect ratio you want for your image. After that, enter a prompt describing the type of background you want to add. The AI will generate a new background based on your prompt and add it to the image. And that's it. You now have a new background for your image, all done right in Leonardo AI.